7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right 2 in, 200. Left 2 in. And right 5 over crest, bump max. 60. Right 6 max. 40. Left 5 in, into right 6 max. 60. Left 3 in, okay. And left over crest, bump. 60 and double caution, hairpin right, deceptive. Left 2 long, into right 1 long. Turn hairpin left. Ooh. Into right 5 tightens. Into turn square right, hairpin left, round island. 80, right 6 max, 40, left 4 continues, very long, and tightens to left 1. And right 5 max, 40, left 3, and left 5 in, to right 4 opens, go, into right 6 over bumps, max, 80, and max crest 100, and right 6 max, 150, grassy, and left 3 long, tightens late over dip, 40, caution, left 2, 40, hairpin right, 60, turn right 4 in, 40, left 6 over small crest max, 80 down, right 4 long, tightens through dip, 60, right 3 long, tightens late, 100, crest max, and left 5 in max, 80, right 6 max, into caution, left 5, and right 2 long, tight, 40, left 1 long, right 2 in, right 6 max, and left 5 max, 60, caution, left 5 max, 60, caution, right 5 long, down for hairpin left. And right 5 tightens max over crest, 60 down, right 3 continues through dip and tightens long into crest, and down, right 2, 60, left 6 over crest max, 100, and left 6 over small crest, 60, and caution, left 2 tightens over crest, 150, left 5 in over crest, okay, and caution, right 5, into left 2 over crest, and down for caution, right 2 tightens, and caution, right 4 long, tightens, 200, finish, and left 4 long, in, okay, 130, lots of hanging dust in there.